How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store, go to the search bar and then search for TikTok. Make sure you have the latest version of TikTok. If there is an update button, instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of TikTok. Next step, tap and hold the TikTok app. Go to App Info. You can also do it by going to Settings and then Apps and then selecting TikTok. After that, go to Storage. Then simply tap on Clear Cache. And your problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.